Hi everyone! Today I will talk about Scrape product. First, on the left sidebar menu, click on Inventory. Then select Scrape product to enter the Scrape product main page. After entering the page, you will be able to view the current Scrape products list. Each company can have a maximum of 5 scraping records. If the list is full, please delete old records before scraping a new product. Click the Scrape Platforms drop-down menu. The system currently supports Lazada, Shopee, TikTok. After selecting a platform, the system will redirect you to the corresponding website, for example, Shopee Malaysia. Browse and select the product you wish to scrape. Then copy the product URL from the browser address bar. Return to the X-STORE dashboard and paste the URL into the scrape box. Click the download icon or simply press enter. A scraping in progress notification will appear in the bottom right corner. Wait a few seconds for the product to appear in your list. In the action column, you can choose to delete, edit, or create product. Click the edit icon to modify the product's basic information, images, description, and variant details. After making the changes, click the update button to save the information. Click the create product icon and select the platform where you want to publish the product. The system will automatically redirect you to the create product page with all scraped data pre-filled. Reminder: if any specific data fields were not captured, kindly fill them in manually. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.